I'm Jack Del Toro. I'm a senior. I'm a theater major with a concentration in performance. I'm a TA here at the Scene Shop. I'm a student also as well, and right now I'm currently in one of our productions, Orlando. That's also what we're doing here in the Scene Shop. We're building the set for Orlando. Today we're going to be working with metal, so we're going to be like welding and cutting metal because we're making, for the set we have like these big arches on top of like the main stage, and we're making the metal structures for the frame of that. This is my locker. I haven't decorated it yet. All my people. Honestly, it's helped a lot. Cynthia, who is our like shop supervisor, has even like told us that there's only one tech major who actually like works in the shop. All of us, the rest of us, are performance majors, and she was actually grateful for it because like we get to see the behind the scenes of everything. And I agree, it's beneficial to us. Like as an actor on stage, you only get to experience that one side of it. You get to experience what it's like to be an actor, and kind of everyone kind of caters to what you're doing, like scenery and everything. They have to make sure that the set works properly, there's nothing wrong where you can get injured and everything. Lighting has to cater to your blocking and what you're gonna do, has to make sure that you look good on stage. Same thing with costumes, they have, like, it's servicing you, like they have to make sure that you look good on stage. So as an actor, like, you're the main part and everyone's servicing you. So working in the shop, like, I've been able to get the perspective of what it's like to have to help actors on stage. And I think it has made me a better artist because as an actor, you're collaborating with everyone, not just with your fellow actors, you're collaborating with your directors, with your SMs, with your designers, your costume designers, your scenic designers. So it's made me appreciate those people, to trust them, that they know what they're doing, and to know we work so hard in the shop. Like, we work more than we probably should, more than is asked of us. Like, we come here on weekends. We stay way past like when the shop closes. Like, we're working day and night. Enrique, our shop supervisor, he works day and night. So we do like a lot to build these sets, and I think it's made me better because I appreciate all the hard work that they're doing, and therefore, like, I trust them. I'm tired.
Let's let him rest.
That's the life of a college student. Elevator broken. And I have to go all the way to the 4th floor. This is my directing class. And I will sit right here. Just got out of class. Had a presentation. And now I get food and go over my lines and do some homework before rehearsals at 6.
This is my bestie Jack. I'm very happy that he's Orlando.
Wait, so you think the first one's better?
Here's my script. Those are all my lines.
Is that my list?
And I only know half of it.
Yeah, I'm going.
But that's okay.
And you want to bother if you said it again, like, just literally be like, hey, I mean, I just said.
And the pink is for when I turn into a woman.
Oh, you think this one's better?
Whatever your heart desires.
Because Marco said this one too. Yeah, we're going.
Come see Orlando.
Therefore, go back to sleep.
This is my dinner,
Go back to sleep.
along with the Pop-Tart and fruit snacks.
You can take his bag.
Because I didn't have time this morning to pack my lunch.
You can take his sweater back.
I'll figure it out. This is what a performance student is. What we have to do. If you make a commitment, stick with it. Love you. I do. Gotta sign in. See, I'm usually on time, but they distracted me. And I'm the last one. Okay. usually how I end my rehearsals. This is my usual spot. I just pack up all my stuff. It's always late at night. I can't get my shit in. My script. Am I memorized all the way? No, it's okay. This is our set. Bare bones still. A little prettier. And yeah, so thank you for following me around and joining my day today. Be sure to watch Orlando. We open April 17th. And remember, this is a fundraiser. We're doing all this to help raise scholarships for us artists, us theater students. You saw all the work we did, so everything you watch me do and some of my friends do in other videos, that's what you'll be supporting. So please help us do what we love and bring all this art to life. Thank you.
Tell him, go to sleep, Jack.
Okay,
Go to sleep.